Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let me ask you something. Have you ever uploaded an amazing image and thought, this needs the perfect caption, but then spent way too much time stuck in writer's block? Or maybe you're a developer or marketer who needs to tag and organize tons of images, but doing it manually? Total nightmare. Well, not anymore. Meet Visionati, the AI-powered image toolkit that analyzes, captions, tags, and filters your images in seconds. Yep, seconds. Visionati is like having 9 of the world's top image-to-text AIs, like ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and Amazon Recognition, working side by side to give you the best results. Just upload an image or paste a URL, and boom, you get instant captions, tags, and even content filtering options, all in one sleek, easy-to-use platform. Key features. Let's say you're posting this cozy desktop setup to Instagram. Visionati instantly gives you multiple caption options, like one for social media, another for e-commerce, or even a prompt to recreate this vibe with AI art tools. Need tags? Visionati identifies objects, environments, and landmarks automatically. Perfect for organizing your photo library or optimizing your content for search. And if you're moderating user content, Visionati has your back with built-in NSFW detection. Easily set your own standards for filtering out nudity, violence, or other offensive content before it ever hits your platform. Best part? You're not locked into one AI model. You can cycle through outputs from all 9 services and pick the one that fits your style or audience best. Total flexibility. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or developer, Visionati takes the guesswork out of image captions, tagging, and moderation. So what are you waiting for? Click the link below to get lifetime access today. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome tools like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.